Hi, I am Sheryl Meshke, co-president and CEO of Associated Milk Producers, headquartered in New Ulm, Minnesota, but with a footprint across the upper Midwest.
So the answer to both who I am personally and professionally would be the same. It's agriculture. I'm a fifth-generation farmer, an agriculture major in college, married a farmer, and together we operate a family farm near Lake Crystal, Minnesota. When I go to work during the day, I work for the dairy farmer owners of Associated Milk Producers Incorporated. They own an amazing company, a cooperative, that produces 10% of the country's American cheese and 10% of the country's butter. And it's owned by farmers. How cool is that? Working for AMPI really aligns with who I am because every day that I go to work, I know who I'm working for. In fact, I visited many of their farms, and I'm so proud to play just a small part in growing the business, the cooperative that they own. I think initially deciding to major in agriculture in college was a very easy decision. I came from a family farm, very active in 4-H. It was really all I knew. So I did go back to school because I wanted more business education. So I went to the University of St. Thomas in their business program, their Master of Business program. That was a great opportunity to grow a network. Now I can call people at Target and Medtronic and General Mills. So we operate a hog and sheep farm and also grow the feed that feeds the animals. We don't have a large farm, it's a small family farm. Looking back at our sons, their growing up years, and even now, my husband and I have been very committed to, we call it rings and diamonds. And that is that we kept them in the show ring with livestock and kept them on the ball diamond. I have a red ribbon from the Blue Earth County Fair, and it is dated 1976. And I keep that out as a reminder really to never give up, that you're gonna have some lows. And this was a low in my 4-H career. I made special K bars that after my dad's packing, the judge was unable to cut. And I was last in my special K-bar class, got a red ribbon. And there's obviously humor with that, but also on a serious note, I was determined to not be last in that class again. I never took foods again to the fair. But more important, it's just a daily reminder that you're gonna have some lows. And you have to have that grit, that resiliency, that determination to try again, no matter if it's the simple things or the complicated things that are posed every day in a business.